Hey kings and queens, bosses and bossettes, what it do? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so this is not anything to do with my face today. About two things. So I wanted to show you guys something that I ordered that I'm excited about. Oh, bam. Zeelool, I hope I'm saying it right. Our glasses that I've ordered off Zeelool. I've been seeing these ads either on Facebook or on Instagram, so I decided to try them out. Enough talk, let me show you. How you doing? I'm good. Yes. I like them because they're different and they're kind of like edgy. I like the fact that it's not a full frame, and these are clear. Like I said before, these are not prescription glasses. Yes, honey. They came with, I forgot what this is called, y'all. They clean your glasses off with. It's feel a little bit silky smooth. That's all I know. They also came with a tool. I'm guessing this is a tool in case your glasses are loose to fix your glasses, and it came with this ruler. I don't know, but this is what it came with. All right. So that's all I want to talk about as far as my glasses goes. I'm gonna take these bad boys off one more time. Okay. All right, so the next thing I have is my nail stuff came in. Woo, okay. Now, since this quarantine has went down, I have not gotten my nails done. My nails were long at one time. I just had a layer over them. Now look at them. Ooh, these bad boys is bad. I am not a licensed nail tech by any means. I'm not. And I can do nails. I've only done mine though. And I think I've fixed my mother. All the stuff I ordered to do my nails, I put it in this bag because it's a lot. Hold on. Is
bruh.
McCarrot polygels. So this polygel kit that I got off Amazon, I got this off Amazon. It comes with a nail file, top coat and a base coat, and it comes with the brush and picker, which helps you pick up the polygel, and it comes with the nail surface cleaner, the 2-in-1. During my research on this, I was told that you should probably put them in warm water because of how thick they are. I also ordered this one. Don't ask me to pronounce it, okay? That's why I got it in the camera. Boom. This comes with the same thing that one comes with, except it has the brushes, 3 nail art brushes, and it has diamond glue. So it comes with a lot more. It comes with slip solution. It comes with the top and base coat, and it has these. Those are all the polygels. Man, I'm about to get loose with this though. And it comes with this nail file. Oh, and it also has dual forms. The dual forms actually help you place the nail on your finger. I have never used these, okay? I ordered a UV light as well. It's off Amazon too. Is it upside down? Yep. I ordered this off Amazon as well. So, I'm gonna work this out. I'm gonna try to do this tonight. I just got off work, y'all. Let me tell you something. I be tired. Focus, I'm trying to keep up with the YouTube channel. I work 2 jobs. I'm a wife. I have a 5-year-old. I be tired, all right? Thinking about all that just made me sleepy. Bear with me. All right, you guys, so that is pretty much all I have for today. I will update you later on what's going on with my face. Listen, I want to encourage you guys. I want to let you guys know, don't drop your dream. Pick it up and run with it, because if you don't, someone else will. God bless.